for the Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, complete with glasses today. Ed, looking good again with the glasses.
My mother may have raised an ugly kid. She didn't raise a dumb one.
Looking the part, and now it's time to play the part. We've got a question in here from Julie in 44. She says, if I sign a lease with roommates and one moves out, am I responsible for the entire rent? To me, it sounds like Julie is. Guys, what do you guys say?
Well, Julie, it all depends on how the lease is written, but the simple answer to this question is going to be yes. Most landlords, if they're renting to multiple people, even if somebody moves out, that rent is still due on that apartment, house, whatever it may be. So make sure you really take a good hard look at that lease. But you're most likely going to be responsible. You and whoever else is left is going to be responsible for the whole rent.
Yeah, usually the leases have a term called joint and several, and they say they're both. That means everyone's liable. So from the landlord's perspective, he's like, I want $1,000 a month. I don't care how it's being paid. If there's 4 people, it's $250. That's great. But on the first of the month, my $1,000 is due. And if your group doesn't pay it, you're all going to be, he's going to take you to court and he's going to win. So, when you look at your leases, make sure you look at it. But most landlords aren't going to they're not going to give you a lease that doesn't have that language because it's a risk to them.
All right, so our viewers that could be in a situation, they're not sure if they have a case, and they need your advice, how can they reach you guys?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And one piece of advice, make sure that whomever you're going to be getting into a lease with, that they're all credit worthy, that they all have the ability to pay, because you don't want to be on the hook for something like this.
Sound advice, results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your best places to submit a question to the Law and You.